Mark down. I'm here, Daddy. Oh, I got my coat on the floor. I'm here, Daddy. Perfect timing. So, do you want any food for tea time? Yes, Daddy. Of course. Okay. Well then, pick what you need in the cupboard then. Oh, and in the fridge as well. There's lots of goodies in there. Really? And even known as lollipops in there? Go and check for yourself. Alright, I'm going to check the cupboard first. Let's see what's in here. There's got to be a lollipop in here. Dad, are you telling the truth? Yes, Jacob. It's all in there. Let's see. Oh, I've got to be telling you that stuff. Biscuit. Oh, but they're choo-choo. Not a plain lollipop. Let's sour. It's going to make me hurt. Oh, just one plain lollipop. Oh, boo-boo. I hate chocolate. Donut, maybe? Donut called chocolate bar. Ah. Guess what? What, Dad? I lied. What do you mean you lied? No, you didn't lie. Jacob, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. And calm down. Where's the lollipop? A plain lollipop. I'm checking the cupboard. Well, that's all the cake and cereal stuff. Got me plain lollipops and drink. I like plain lollipops. There's no plain lollipops in the fridge. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Well, Jacob, what's in the fridge? I like plain lollipops, please. It's all I want for tea time. Can we just go to the sweet shop? Oh, hell no. Who do you think I am? That shop makes me sick. What do you mean it makes me sick? Let me go to the sweet shop. Jacob? No. No. Come on now. Literally. If you answer me that one more time, you'll be getting a consequence. No. Not fair! Dinosaur! Oh my God! Ah! Call the cops! an empty egg with a honey on the floor. Oh my god. Look, the whole fish, the whole. Look, destroy the cupboard. What the hell? Literally. Right, guys. I'm mentally counting this. So, see you next video, guys. This is just a fake one. Of course, I'm going to be picking up all the stuff. So, look. Get it, okay? See you next video, guys. Bye.